today we're doing a crazy workshop where basically we come into a school just like yours, and for 3 days we work with the kids. So first 2 days we teach them a whole 1 hour show, and so that means singing, dancing, acting. We do classes, but then we also teach them the show materials, stage them on the stage like you see behind me, and then we also give them solos. So dancing solos, vocal solos. So some of them are learning them out in the hallways right now as we're doing the staging behind me, and then we put that all together, and that's what we'll do, sort of a little mock dress rehearsal tonight, and then we'll be doing the show tomorrow. Yeah, I think a lot of it is just sort of that independence or just sort of confidence, and that's something that you don't have to do just in dance, or it doesn't come just in, you know, a choir group. It's something that when you go to work and you have to present about a project or getting ready to go and move off away from home for college is something where being okay with being yourself, and then also trying new things that maybe you might not know that you're good at dance, but you're not going to know that till you actually try it. So that translates in any industry or whatever performance area you go into, and that's what we try doing throughout the 3 days, and really just empower them for that confidence boost.
And I feel so like alive and just ready to go.
They're really a group that makes you feel like you belong, no matter who you are, no matter where you're from.
It's just been an awesome experience.
I know now that when I go out on stage for like the school's musical, I won't be as nervous because I've already got all the jitters out this week.
It's bringing out the best in people. It's bringing out their really loud and obnoxious side. It's bringing out their personality. The personality that not everyone always gets to see.
Yeah.
And the young Americans are doing a great job with getting every little piece of us out of us.
Yeah.
I've learned a lot of teamwork is necessary to make the big project work.
I think really it's just the fact that they have fun. So we do a show and we put on like a final performance, but really it's about that journey from day one when we open the doors and they're like, wait, what? What's this? Who are you guys? You guys are crazy? To by the end of the third day when they're like having us giving high fives, hugs, and they're sad to see us go. Like, the journey is really the best part, because we're here for the performance part, but we're also here just to see them perform throughout those 3 days and really see where they grow from.